Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I got this package which was sent to me by Happiness Boutique, and I really wanted to share this with you guys. And as you guys can tell from this title, I'm doing a live unboxing video for you guys. But before that, I would like to say something about Happiness Boutique. So Happiness Boutique is very famous for their statement jewelries like necklaces, earrings, bracelets and more, and they do free worldwide shipping, and they will also give reward points when you purchase something from their online store. And yes, that's all about Happiness Boutique. So let's go ahead and see what I got. So I'm going to open the package. So as you guys can see, this is the package. I just opened it and let's see what's inside. So this is the box and it's really plain and simple, and I like these kinds of packaging. As you guys can see, it says Happiness Boutique on top and this is their logo. And let's open the box. Oh, they gave me this little note, I believe, and it says for Sunita, and there's lots of hearts and stuff. This is really cute. I'm definitely gonna keep it. And it also comes with grandma's tips on jewelry care, which is very handy and very thoughtful of them. And this is their card. And as you guys can see, it is very nicely packed, and this is the tissue, and underneath the tissue there is the jewelry, which I will show you in a bit. And inside the box there is some soft cotton, I believe, just to keep the jewelry safe. So that's the box. Let's go ahead and see the jewelry now. Now the necklace comes inside this cute pouch, which is very handy. I'm definitely gonna keep this and use it later. And here's their tag. It says Happiness Boutique and it is really cute. Let me cut this off and let's see the necklace. So here's the necklace. It's really cute, guys. I just love it. Let me zoom in for you guys. And here's the necklace, guys. It's so cute. It's super blingy and very elegant. It has gold detailings, as you guys can see. It's really nicely made, guys. The quality of this necklace is really nice. It's not too heavy, but the necklace has a little bit of weight, which I don't mind. And it's so pretty, guys. I'm really excited to wear this necklace. And yes, please check them out. And I will catch you guys very soon. Bye.